Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So almost 7 days to close the entry for the private, and all you do is come a little bit down to the description, click on Discord if you're not in, and click on announcement, click my name and message me that you want to be a part of it. So the thing is that BONK today is continuing on with the journey of the retest. So we are doing quite good. This is really good. Man, it's so good, okay? Because you are making support and resistance rightfully so. And one thing I want to say is that I think the retest is really happening. So your trend line right over here, you've broken the trend line, you are coming down and you're making the retest. Now let's say you end up coming down like this. This is going to be a huge fake out right over there. Now the question is, are we in a good position to move higher? Now, one thing I may say though is that BONK has one very small tiny negative thing to talk about, and that is going to be the overbought level on the other side. This is a little bit of a concern to me though, okay? You're coming up to the historical place of a selling opportunity, not a buying opportunity. I do remember clearly telling you previously that, hey, you know what, BONK is down and this is a buying opportunity, all right? And we did buy BONK on our Discord. I've shown you so many times. We took 38% move. My technical targets were met. We entered down here. We sold it right up there, right on the money. Everything went really perfectly our way. And the thing is that now you have made a place where it's important for you to probably go down on the other side. That's the only issue that I may say. But the positive thing is that, you know, RSI is not the only thing that you have to consider. It's not the only thing that plays an important role. There are so many other different factors like support and resistance. And right now you're breaking above, coming down for the retest. Interestingly enough, there's another thing that could be in the making. I don't know if you have noticed this or not. Now, if you zoom out, of course, this is a very good support and resistance break. If you zoom in, if someone didn't zoom out and didn't see support and resistance, one can say, if I remove all the drawings, that there is probably a bull flag in the making as well, right? Look at that. Little bit of a flag here. Now, let's say this flag does play out and you might see BONK pushing up from there to there, and we could be looking at 3006. We might see another push of 47% move to the upside, but we need a break. We haven't broken out. If you broke up, amazing. Another thing is, if you come down to maybe 1773, then this could be a matter of concern if you do come down to 1173, because number one, you are going to be losing the flag. You will lose the bull flag. Number two is that the support and resistance that you're breaking from is going to be a fake out, right? So if you come down here, you're losing all the support level that you might be looking at. And you come down here, you take this out, and probably you may start to fall down again. And the next support, if you do fall down, is down to the channel itself, all right? So if you ever fall down, you're going to fall down big time, probably continue this channel all the way down to even 861. So we don't see BONK coming down to 1773. Always work with a stop loss, and that's why I do say that if you need those low risk, high reward kind of setup and trading, again, private is the place to be. Super cheap, and I'm going to also give you a video explaining how to really manage your money in a way that you win. And fun fact, by the way, I've been running private for almost 1.5 years. I've actually analyzed my data, and my data says that in every 3 months, I am actually profitable. Like average, every 3 months, I ended up being profitable. Let's say the first month we're 20% down, the second month we're 10% down. On the third month, I might be 100% up or 200% up all of a sudden. So if you combine and do the average, do the math, every 3 months I have been profitable. So that tells you in 1.5 years, I've just been up. But if you zoom in, the journey was kind of bumpy, up and down, but all of a sudden we're still moving up, something like this. January, February, March, April, June, July, August, September, something like this. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one, Murphy.